Hey guys, welcome back to Empowers Media, channel I created to educate and empower others. Today I'm going to show you how to restore a headlight lens on a vehicle using this white new headlight restoration kit. So if you remember, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so here's what the lens cover looks like before we use the white new kit, restoration kit. And both headlights are pretty yellowed and they're pretty damaged. So I'm going to set up my workstation. I've already read the instructions on how to do this. So you're going to need a little tub of water, some type of cloth, the microfiber cloth that comes in the kit, the 3000 grit, 2000 grit on the gray side, 3000 grit on the green side, sanding pad, and the restoration chemical pad that comes with some gloves. So we're going to try this product and see how well it changes that. So that's what it looks like now. Okay, so the first thing that it said to do in the kit was to clean the headlight cover to remove any dirt and grime. So okay, and the next step is you're supposed to use the 3000 grit side of the sanding paper if the lens is in this bad a shape to polish it down, always keeping the lens wet. So you're going to wet sand this. And it doesn't say whether to use small circular strokes or long strokes. So we're just gonna do this the best we can. It's the first time I've ever done this. I can hear some areas already getting better. It's really bad over here in this corner. It said in the kit that whatever this looks like wet is what it's going to look like after you finish applying the cloth, the restoration chemical that they send with the kit. So this part may take some time, so I'm just going to keep doing this until I'm happy with it. I'm a little OCD, so I'm going to have to cut this video and edit it together. But anyway. Okay, so to save time, I am going to just keep doing this. And once I've prepared this lens to the point to where I think it's ready for the next step, which would be to polish it with the gray side. Right now I'm polishing it with the green side, which is the 3000 grit side. So after I do the whole lens with this side, I'm going to switch over to the gray side and do the exact same thing all over the entire lens to polish it out. You can already hear, I don't know if the microphone's picking up the sound, but where it's quiet right there while I'm rubbing it, it's already buffed out all the imperfections in the lens cover. Over here you can still hear it actually sanding stuff off. The oxidation and the road grime, damage from the UV rays, all that stuff is coming off. Slowly, but it's coming off. So, okay, so I'm just going to keep doing this, and when I get to the next step, we'll start recording again. Okay guys, so I've finished buffing the headlight lens with the buffer pad. I used the green side first, the 3000 grit side, and then I used the gray side. No, the green side was the 2000 grit, the gray side is the 3000 grit. But it really changed it a lot. There's what it looks like now before I've even applied the restoration pad. This is the very last step. But it said to get both headlights prepared before you open that. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and do this second one before I apply that. But you can already see a big difference. Like, so I'm going to get started on the second headlight, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay guys, so I have completed the sanding part, the wet sanding part of each headlight. There's the right headlight, or the left headlight. They already look a lot better. So now we're going to apply the restoration chemical that's in this little package. I've already opened it up and I've already put my gloves on. It does recommend that you wear the gloves. So it says just to first make sure that the surface is dry. I've already dried it with the microfiber cloth. So let's go ahead and start applying. And it says just to wipe it thoroughly. Taking care not to get it on other parts of the vehicle, like the paint. Alright. This headlight here was actually much less damage than the other one. so it actually came out looking better. But this is a 2004, I think. It's my mom's car. But over time, this is what sun, UV rays, and damage and stuff from the road has done to the headlight cover. But yeah, this product works pretty damn good. I'm happy with it. It's 99% better than it was. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this educational tutorial. If you're wondering about this stuff, if it works good enough for me. I don't know if my headlights look like hers did. I would definitely use it. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for future videos. And we'll see you guys on the next project.